This is weird. Am I on something? What the hell is going on? What? What's going on, everybody? I'm Dan Unfiltered. This is Unfiltered Reactions. Continuing. Korn. See you on the other side with Open Up. The album's actually hit the meat and potatoes of it. We're actually gotten all right. We've salvaged it. The bread at the beginning was a little soft, a little stale. Hopefully that doesn't happen with the breading at the end. But the meat in the middle, like the 3.5 songs, dead center, pretty good, pretty good. See if it continues with Open Up. Again, everybody, please subscribe to Patreon. Because in January, albums like this, they're from the past, from bands, rappers, artists, whatever, will be hitting Patreon way earlier than they'll be hitting YouTube. So subscribe to that. $3 a month. It's the price of a Happy Meal. And let's check out Korn. Open Up. Alright. Korn getting weird. Let's do it.
I guess I'm never now. See your eyes blinking, pupils begin to grow. Pulling you softly, pulling you in.
Okay.
Making your mind up. What's it gonna say? Open up now, let it all go. I'm quite certain, say it ain't so. You're corrupted by something fine. Oh no, open up now, head in the sky. Here's the tongue that keeps telling lies. Still lives in my mouth. You breathe in but can't breathe out.
That's an okay chorus. It's okay. The song is very kind of strange.
Taking it makes you talk real slow. How come I'm thinking you'll be the last to know? Choking you gently, taking control, and you're no trouble to dig your own hole. Open up now, let it all
I wish it had like, exploded more for that.
certain, say it ain't so. You're corrupted by something fine. Oh no, open up now, head in the sky. Here's the tongue that keeps telling lies. Still lives in my mouth. You breathe in but can't breathe out.
What the hell is going on? What the hell is definitely going on? What the hell is happening?
Choking you gently.
What the hell is happening? Is this the same song? This is weird. Am I on something? What the hell is going on? What? What the hell is happening? We changed again? Holy shit! It's like the wild thornberries. Holy shit! What the hell just happened? What? That was like 3 different songs jammed into one. Alright, let me try to collect my thoughts. Yeah, that was kind of a brain scramble. Alright, well, overall the song was decent. It could have been way better because the chorus is good and the format of it was good. But it was meant to kind of like bang and then really vaulting the open up part. And it kind of was just chilling through it. It still wasn't bad, but my ears were begging for it to just go hard right there. Pause, I guess. But yeah, just go hard right there. So, what could have been an absolute single and one of the top songs on the album it was okay. It didn't hurt the album, but it's not going to be remembered in 48 hours. You know what I mean? It's like, it was alright. It was alright. But what the hell was going on in there? That was a lot. Oh, Jesus Christ. But that was a lot. Like, what the hell happened there? Like, violins came in, which was cool. I like different. But then it went right back into the open up chorus. It's like, give me the bang. Give me the explosion right there. Good Lord, you just had violins. We'd have ripped through everything. That would have been great. At least on that one. At least on that chorus. Well, and then at the end there, at the very, very end, we had him like doing his crazy shit, the little scat stuff, which is always great, very welcome. A little beatboxing type of thing. He's fantastic at it. Love when he does it. I'm glad he doesn't do it too much because I want it to be special anytime you hear it. So it was. I enjoyed it, but just random. That came out of nowhere just at the end of the song. Jesus Christ. Well, Korn, see you on the other side. We'll see you on to the next song. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you. And if you are still here, you are a real one. I don't know what the hell I'm doing anymore. Who knows?